Everybody's going somewhere, and we're trying to find our way. But we get lost sometimes and think we're all alone. We don't know our destination, and we're running in place because of all of the distractions on the road. But He is there, and He knows where you belong, and He wants to bring you home. When you're trying to find the path you should take, when you're lost inside the wind and the waves, His voice will break through. He is speaking to you when you don't know where to fasten your gaze. When the world's distractions get in your way, He will be your guide. If you just close your eyes and listen, listen. Everybody's looking forward, never knowing what will come, moving on with faith or fearing what's ahead. But we can let Him help us through it and decide to feel His love. Or we can do it all on our own and fall again, because He is there. And if we hold on to His grace, He will help us find our way. When you're trying to find the path you should take, when you're lost inside the wind and the waves, His voice will break through. He is speaking to you when you don't know where to fasten your gaze. When the world's distractions get in your way, He will be your guide. If you just close your eyes and listen, you will hear Him every time you listen. When you're trying to find the path you should take, when you're lost inside the wind and the waves, His voice will break through. He is speaking to you when you don't know where to fasten your gaze. When the world's distractions get in your way, He will be your guide. If you just close your eyes and listen, listen.
With all my heart, with all my soul, with all my strength, I love you, my Elohim. With everything, I am yours. Put your name and set your seal between my eyes and on my hand, over my gates, upon my door. Me and my house, we will be yours. I love you with everything, my Elohim. I love you, I am yours. When I arise and when I walk, when I sit down and when I talk, let your words be in my heart, in every thought. Set me apart with all my heart, with all my soul, with all my strength. I love you, my Elohim, with everything.
I know there's a lot of cows.
I love you.
Maybe we'll just have to walk off. Just approach them. But as long as there's no balls, okay? It's the balls that are going to get very interesting. Why is there always so many animals around that are not fenced off? Make yourself look big. Jamie, what are you doing? Oh, yes. Why is Jerry putting his arms up in the air? One over to the back. I'm trying, but there's loads of cow pats. There's loads of cow pats. Oh, I can't. Oh, why are they coming over? Go
With
back.
all my heart, with all my soul, with all my strength.
No.
I love you,
No.
my Elohim,
No.
with everything. I am yours.
Go.
I am yours.
Please don't get us stopped this time. Lift her up. Go. Go. Johnny, just move! I'm gonna wet myself! Quick! Look at the ball! Jamie, just get through the gate! Quick, Jamie, get through the gate! Quick, go, go, go!
In the desert of my soul, I was thirsty